Hi everyone, good morning. It's the second day of Nicole in daycare. I hope you will not cry, no?
No.
You will play with your classmate, with your friends,
Yeah.
and you will listen to teacher, okay? See you later. Tara na, let's go walking. It's her second day in daycare. Look. Ayan na, papunta na kami sa... Ayan, as usual, nadaan kami sa park. Kami lang dalawa niya. Umalis na si Daddy. First day of school na lang sinatid siya. So I hope hindi siya iiyak mamaya. There will be no crying time later. Doon banda yung school niya. Ganda dito. Ooh. Ayan. Ayan, handito na kami sa school. Ayan si Nicole. Ayan. Go, drive, faster. Okay. Mga ano. Yes. Oh, park your car there, ha? Park your scooter. Ayan, may playground. There. Go there, oh. With the kids' scooter. Ayan. Oh. Bye-bye. Ashley. Go. Ayan. Ito yung admin office. Diretso siya. First floor yung ano nila eh. Yung room. Come on. Don't run off. Left side. Yes. Go up. Ayan. Magbibihis na siya ngayon. Meron silang yung suot niya papalitan ng panloob sa. Ayan na yun. Ayan, nag-change siya. Can you stand up? I will send to Papa. Ayan, nilagay ko dito siya. Yung ano niya. Palitan. Ayan si Nicole naka-uniform niya. So, say dobre utra to teacher, ha? Be nice. Good luck. You sit down, Sadis. So, ayan na. Binaba ko na si Nicole. Pauwi na naman ang nanay. And after 2 hours, babalik na naman ako dito. So, ayan na nga. Ang 2 weeks pala siya. So, ayun na nga. Naputol yung usapan kanina. 2 weeks pala siya, guys, na 2 hours lang. Kasi for daw, yung adjustment of the time. Adjustment of yung tawag nito, mag-a-adjust siya sa environment niya. Ang cute ng school niya kasi may sleeping time sila. One of the meron silang sleeping time. One of the door there may sleeping time sila. Ayun lang, nakwento ko lang. Hi, how's your school? Good? You play with friends? You like it? Okay, tara, let's change your clothes na. Come here. Ayan. Wow. Tara na, let's go. Tara na, dabay. Ayan, magsusuot na siya ng shoes dito sa labas. Ayan, pababa na kami. Nasa kasi sila, first floor. Hanapin na niya yung scooter. Uh-oh. Wrong turn you found. You think it's another one, huh? Tara, let's go. Pauwi na kami. Sinundo ko na si little one. Say, paka. Here, look at here. Say, that's Bidanya. Yan na. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to press the bell button para maging updated naman kayo sa aming mga i-upload na mga video.